All right, good morning, kindergarten friends. Today we're going to review the letter P. We've been talking about the letter P, and the letter P makes the p sound, right? We did that yesterday. So what we're going to do is we're going to play a sorting game, and we're going to sort
Sound rainforest.
Okay. We're going to sort
the sounds to feed the chameleon.
So we're going to sort some pictures and decide if they start with the p sound or if they do not.
Drag picture words that begin with the same sound as pig into the box under the picture of the pig. Drag picture words that do not begin with the same sound as pig into the other box. Click on a picture to hear its name.
Okay, so we're going to listen to the word and we're going to drag it. If it has the letter P in the beginning, if it has the same p sound as pig, we're going to put it underneath this category with the pig, or this column with the pig. If it does not have the p sound, we're going to put it underneath this column with the line going through, which means it does not have the same beginning sound. Okay? So I'm going to do one, I'm going to model it, and then I want you to participate with me. So I'm going to ask you to point to which column do you think the word's going to go. So let's look at the first word.
Paw.
Paw. So paw. Say that word, paw. Paw. I hear the p sound in the word paw, so I know that paw and pig have the same beginning sound. So I'm going to drag it underneath the pig, and it's going to go under this column. Good.
Paw.
Paw. And we're going to be listening for words that have the p sound at the beginning of the word, right? So let's look at the next word.
Pill.
Pill. Where do you think pill is going to go? Point to the column where the word pill will go. Is it going to go underneath the picture of the pig or the one with the no? It doesn't have the same beginning sound.
Pill.
Pill. Yes, good job. It's going to go underneath the column with the pig.
Pill.
Because pill and pig have the same beginning sound.
Deer.
Let's look at this one. Deer.
Deer.
Deer. Point to the column where you think the word deer is going to go.
Deer.
Deer. Yeah, we're going to put it underneath the picture with the pig and the line going through it because the word deer, I hear it has a d sound and it does not have a p sound. So we're going to put deer underneath this one because it doesn't have the same beginning sound.
Deer. Pool.
Pool. Point to the picture or the column where you think the word pool is going to go.
Pool.
That's right. Pool and pig have the same beginning sound. And what letter makes the p sound? The letter P.
Pool.
Good. Let's look at another one.
Screw.
A screw.
Screw.
Point to the column where you think the picture screw will go. Does screw make the same beginning sound as pig? No, it doesn't. So we're going to drag it right underneath this column.
Screw.
Very good.
Pen.
Pen. Point to the column where you think pen is going to go.
Pen.
Pen. Good job. It's going to go right underneath the pig because pig and pen have the same beginning sound.
Pen.
Pen.
Fork.
Fork. Say that word, fork.
Fork.
Fork. Point to the column where you think the picture fork will go. Does fork have the same beginning sound as pig? Good job. It does not. So it's going to go underneath
Fork.
the column where there is a line going through, and that means it does not have the same beginning sound.
Park.
Park. Point to the column where you think park is going to go.
Park.
Park. Good job.
Park.
Park and pig have the same beginning sound. So for your assignment today is you are going to go into Pearson, and I'm going to show you, I'm going to make a how-to video. It's going to show up right after this, but you're going to go in and you're going to do this exact same activity that has been assigned to you, and I'm going to show you how to get to it. I'm going to show you how to get into your Pearson account. And remember, we always go to our Fort Worth ISD portal. So www.fwisd.org/myfwisd. When we get to the portal, we're going to sign in with our login information, which you should already have. And I'm going to use somebody's login as an example. So we always put S and then our number at stu.fwisd.org. And then we're going to put the password. Okay. Which you already have your passwords. Just like that, and we're going to sign in. So I'm signing in, and this is what your Launchpad looks like, which you should already know because you should already be, signing in to your Fort Worth ISD portal. And we're going to come all the way down to find the Pearson. Here it is. So this is the Pearson app. And this is where we're going to do the sound reinforced activity that you're going to complete for me. So you're going to click on the Pearson, and this has a picture of like a bridge. So you're going to click on it, and then you're going to come down here and you're going to click this one right here where it says My View Literacy 2020 Texas Grade K. You're going to click on that. And it's going to load, and it's going to ask you to customize your account. So you can choose how you want it. You can pick a profile picture. So for this person, I'm just going to click the cupcake, and then you can change it whenever you log in, okay? And the sunflowers. Oh, right. And we're going to say, ready, let's go. Then you're going to click on this picture right here. And if you notice, this is the same picture of what is your My View book that we've been doing our work in. So you're going to click that. And then you're going to come to Classes. And here is your assignment right here. So you're going to click on this. So anytime I assign you something inside of Pearson, you go to Classes, and you're going to see your assignment. And this is the exact same activity that I just did with you on the screen. You're going to sort the pictures by if they have the same beginning sound as the pig, okay? So you're going to click this, and you're going to click it, and it's going to open it up, and you're going to start it. So I put the start date on the 28th just so I can show it to you since I'm recording it on the 28th. But it's not going to be due until Monday, so you have the whole week to complete it, okay? Alright, so that is how you're going to do your assignment, and that's how you get into Pearson. And anytime I assign anything to you through Pearson, that is how you're going to get into it. Okay? Alright, see you guys later.